Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can transfer your files, songs, movies from USB to your car's infotainment. So first we will open this dashboard. Okay, now insert your USB in the USB port. Now go to infotainment and here you can see this icon. So go to your main menu, search for the file manager. Here it is, click on it. Now this is the internal storage of my car's infotainment. Here you can see, hopefully, yes it is, it's now 32 GB is the memory of this infotainment. Now I want to copy or cut some documents, some movies, songs from my USB to this infotainment system. So click on USB, click on again. Now it's loading. Okay, so these are the files in my USB. Let's suppose I want to copy these two files into the infotainment system. So which documents you want to copy or cut, click on it, check. Now focus on these two. If you want to cut, then click on, tap this scissor, or if you want to create a copy, then tap on this one. So let's suppose I want to cut and paste, so tap on the scissor. Here it is. Now choose the location if you want to paste these two documents. So go to the internal storage, click on flash and select the folder, the desired folder. And mostly infotainments, the main memory is in this folder, INAND. Hopefully it will be clearly shown. So click on it and now click on, if you want to cancel this process, then click on this one. And if you want to cut and paste, now I want to paste, now tap on it. So operations completed. So this is a very simple. Now again, if you want to copy, go again to your USB and select any file you want. Let's suppose I want to copy this file, so click on this. Here it is. Now click on copy. Where you want to paste these documents, go to the car's infotainment memory, select the folder and now click on paste. So now it's been pasted. So it's very easy. Hopefully this will help you. See you in the next video. If you have any queries, please comments. Hopefully this will solve your problem. Thank you.